Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dallas and I'm working on a couple projects around my house right now and would love it if you would subscribe. If you're returning, I'm glad to have you here. Okay, let's get into the video. Today I'm refreshing this kitchen. I am going to add some fall decorations to the table. I loved how everything turned out, so stay tuned till the end. I just got some new curtains from Shop Smart here in Nassau, Bahamas, and they are great quality at 70% off. These curtains we have in here now, we got them when we first moved in about 4 years ago, and the rod is bending, so I think we are overdue. I have all my tools here, and I figured I would know how to hang these up since I hung up pictures before. So here we go. I wanted the curtains to go all the way to the ceiling so that it gave more of an elegant look and feel to the room.
Finally don't get enough, finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment.
So these are the curtains I got. They're really good quality, blackout curtains. And as you can see from the background, the curtains we have up now clearly are not the same. These are Linden Street. That's the brand. I found that same brand on Amazon as well. And these curtains also have 2 ways to hang. So you can hang it by that, so it can be a little longer, or button it and hang it that way.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
So I hung the share curtains with the regular curtains just to see if I would like that look. I didn't have a double rod at the time, but I got it later because I ended up liking it. And then I just hung the share curtains on that second rod. And it turned out beautifully, which you will see at the end.
No!
Wow, so much cleaning, so much better. It was a lot of work.
I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way.
Okay, now it's time to clean off this table and bring out my fall decorations for the table. I'm so excited because I got a nice, beautiful white vase from Bluestone Home. And then I got some pumpkins from Smart Shop. And I got this nice black cutting board from Kelly's. So I'm excited to put them all together and see how they turn out.
Finally don't get enough, finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment.
I also got this gold Cinderella carriage from Amazon, which I'll link down below, for the girls' birthday party. And I will share a video of the girls' birthday party and the details I put into that. The theme was Bippity Boppity Boutique. So it turned out so cute for a girls' party. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have subscribed already, thank you. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And please comment below how you think this turned out.